Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karishma and today I'm going to introduce you with my little son. He is only 2 years old. Look at him, say hi.
Hi.
He's so cute, so cute. He has just completed 2 years and 2 years and 2 months. Yeah, exactly 2 years and 2 months. So today I'm going to share the development of my baby. That what are the changes which have been take with from last 2 or 3 months, and let's start the video. First, I would like to talk about his activities. Nowadays he's very active. Not nowadays, he's active since 6 or 7 months. But now he wants to play in the ground. He want to kick ball. He want to play bat ball, and he want to participate in all the activities which he look around, and which mostly he saw in the videos, YouTube videos basically. So look at him, how happy he is. Okay, and now let's talk about his education. He's basically know everything, like in English. He know all the ABCD letters till Z. He recognize every alphabet very in a very good, good memory. Second, he know everything like A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. He know till the Z. One or two times like कभी कभी हो जाता है, but otherwise he know everything. Other than that, he know 1 to 20 counting. Earlier, if we talk about 2 months back, he knows only 1 to 10, and but now he continues like 1 to is 16, 17 he can count. Okay, other than that, we are start teaching him Hindi language in the sense a se anar and a se aam, so he know all the things. Look at him, how he plays. Oh my god. Okay, baby, say hi.
Hi.
How are you?
How are you?
No, you say I'm fine.
Fun.
इधर देखो, मम्मा को देखो, सबको हाय बोल दो. ओके, आप डांस कर रहे हो. I really like all his activities. You know what? When I do exercise in the morning, he literally start doing exercise with me, and he actually copying the person. Like he let me give you the example. मैं इस रील के बीच में वो उसका एक्सरसाइजिंग वाला पार्ट भी इंक्लूड करूंगी. मैंने रिकॉर्ड किया हुआ है, तो प्लीज आप जरूर देखिएगा. Other than that, he dance well, he run, he speak very well. He cannot combine the 4 or 5 words at a time, but he can speak 2 words in combination, like mama aa gayi, papa gaye. Like he can speak. He understood everything, whether you are speaking in English or in Hindi. He understood everything. He also understands the one more language, that is Bengali, because we are Bengali. So obviously अगर घर में बात करते हैं तो he catch the words. Other than that, he knows all his body parts. Since 10 months he aware about the body parts, but he doesn't know how to speak. He just recognize and tell them that it's a nose or it's a eye. But now he speak well, and what is head, what is hair, shoulders, everything. He know everything. If I have the clipping of all these letters or body parts names, I will put here. And let me try. क्या पता अभी बोले. Baby, A for
Apple.
B for
Boy.
C for
Dog.
D for
Dog.
E for
Apple.
F for
Yeah.
baby F for fish.
Mama.
Oh my god, he's too loud. अच्छा, okay, F for
Hunter.
बेटा अंकल देख रहे हैं आपको. अंकल मारेंगे, अंकल आप बताओगे नहीं तो.
Jackal.
हाँ अंकल. F for
Fish.
G for G.
Ball.
Yes. H for
Horse.
very good. I for
Junk.
I for ice cream. ऐसे खाते हैं. Yes. और J for J for बेटा J. He's not even listening. He ignores all the time. J for? Okay, okay, okay. छोटे आ से?
Other.
बड़े आ से? ई से?
Imbi.
बड़ी ई से?
E.
ऊ से?
Ulu.
बड़े ऊ से?
Ulu.
और उसके बाद क्या आता है? ए से?
Easy.
बड़ी ए से?
E.
बड़ी ए आए क्या बोलते हैं? आई से ऐनक.
Anak.
ओ से?
Uki.
Oakley. Oh my God, he knows everything. Okay, 1, 2, 3, B. Baby, okay, baby, where is your head?
Hey.
Very good. And eyes? And what is this?
No.
And what is this? Look at me, baby. भैया मूड में नहीं है. मूड में होता है तो मतलब सब कुछ बोल देता है. अभी वो अपना खेल रहा है और मैं उसको बस डिस्टर्ब कर रही हूँ, डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर रही हूँ, इसलिए ही इज़ नॉट इन अ गुड मूड टू रिप्लाई मी. अब बात करते हैं इसकी डाइट की कि मैं इसको फुल डे डाइट में क्या देती हूँ. सॉरी, मैं हिंदी में कैसे आ गई, मुझे तो इंग्लिश में बोलना है सो दैट आई कैन इम्प्रूव माई इंग्लिश. ओ माई गॉड, हाउ कैन आई फॉरगॉट. ओके, सो in his diet in the morning he used to have 1 bottle milk. The first thing in the morning he used to have milk, then he brush his teeth. He wants to brush his teeth by himself. He do not even allow me to touch and do it properly. So ulta pulta जो भी है वो करता है आजकल. And then third, after that I make breakfast. In breakfast mostly I give him a paratha, 1 paratha with sometime with gur, sometime with ketchup, because he don't like to eat vegetables. But from last 2 or 3 days I start giving him broccoli, single broccoli piece, just fried them and just give him as a snack like finger food. So he used to eat broccoli as well. After that I regularly I give him 1 apple or banana, one thing जो भी मेरे पास अवेलेबल है, मोस्टली इट्स बनाना. और उसके बाद लंच का टाइम, उसके बाद पानी के बाद लंच का टाइम आ जाता है सीधा. लंच में ही यूज टू हैव दाल एंड राइस. मोस्टली 90% ऑफ टाइम ही यूज टू ईट दाल एंड राइस. वट एवर वेजिटेबल्स आई हैव अवेलेबल ऑन द डे आई यूज टू मिक्स विद दाल राइस so that at least he can get all the nutrients. After that he take a nap for 2 or 3 hours and wake up in the evening, and in the evening I used to give him again half a roti or a bread or a milk, something like a little lighter, so that in the dinner he can have his full complete 1 paratha or 1 roti, whatever I make for the dinner. So in the dinner he eat whatever we eat, like sabzi or paratha. So this is the complete iska diet. And yes, in between I used to give him like sometimes walnut or almond, sometimes 1 or 2 almond or walnut isko zyada suit nahi karta hai, but I start giving him. And that's it. In the night again he drink 1 bottle of 200 ml or 250 ml milk. So milk he usually take 2 times, in the morning or in the night. That's all for the day. Okay, so I will try to share his activities in the video clips, but this video will be long if I will share with you. Anything else would you like to know about him, you can ask him. He's a 2-year-old, but he is still not speaking completely like sentences like mama आप क्या कर रही हो, mama मुझे जाना है. He can't speak like this, but he can speak only words. Okay, मैं एक बार बुलवा के भी दिखाती हूँ आपको. मेहुल क्या हुआ? ओ माय गॉड, मेरा बच्चा डर गया. ओ माय गॉड, आई एम सो सॉरी बेबी. बाबा पापा कहाँ गए हैं बेटा?
अभी.
और माँ कहाँ गई है?
घर.
काका घर. अच्छा, और बोल दो आप मेरी प्यारी मासी,
तमाशी.
मेरी प्यारी मम्मा.
मम्मा.
आई लव यू मम्मा.
अबलो मम्मा.
आई ब्लो मम्मा नहीं, आई लव यू मम्मा. ओके, से पापा आ जाओ.
अबलो.
पापा कब आओगे? कल कल आओगे?
कल अगू.
बोलो मैं कल आऊंगा.
कल अगू.
बोलो खाना खा लो.
खा लो.
नहीं, पूरा बोलो खाना खा लो.
खाओ लो.
आई लव यू बेबी, आई लव यू सो मच.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Up next, back turns. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
करो अच्छे से करो, हाँ वेरी गुड.
9, 2, 1, go. 1,
उई
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Rest time.
थक गए बेटा. ओ माय गॉड, कितना टायर्ड हो गया बेबी. तो रेस्ट टाइम. ओ माय गॉड, अच्छे से करो रेस्ट, अच्छे से रेस्ट कर लो.
Up next, jumping jacks. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4,
करो.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Rest time. Four, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
करो.
12, 13,
अच्छे से करो.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Rest time.
कैसे करते हो आप रेस्ट? रेस्ट करके दिखाओ कैसे रेस्ट करते हो. हाँ, कैसे रेस्ट करते हैं?
Up next, running in place. In 5,
रनिंग इन प्लेस करो, रनिंग इन प्लेस.
3, 2, 1, go.
करो 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 जल्दी.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. Rest time.
कहाँ जा रहा है? कहाँ जा रहा है मंकी? ओए, get up, get up, get up. Ready for the next exercise? Come on the carpet. Come here. Beta, come here. No. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, sorry. Blink jacks.
In 5,
जल्दी आओ.
4, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2,
आ जाओ. Come. Sorry.
5,
Come. Bye.
Bye.
कल आऊंगा.
Aku.
सेम टाइम पर. इधर देखो मम्मा को, इधर देखो, वीडियो में देखो बेटा. इधर देखो. बोलो लाइक
Like
माय
my
मम्मा
mama.
चैनल.
Dun.
ये अच्छा संडे मंडे तो बोल के दिखा दो एक बारी.
Tin.
टन नहीं, मैं बोलूंगी, मेरे पीछे बोलना आप. संडे,
Tin.
मंडे,
Monday.
ट्यूसडे,
Toto.
वेडनेसडे,
Seven.
थर्सडे,
Ta.
फ्राइडे,
Sai.
सैटरडे,
Tay.
संडे.
Tin.
ये बाय बाय. आई लव यू बोल दो सबको. आई लव यू.